Hello, all artists. Today, our topic is self portrait, where you are going to draw a face of a boy or a girl. If you are a boy, draw a boy. If you are a girl, draw a girl. This time, we are not going to draw on the paper. We are going to use some craft papers and going to use scissor and fevicol. So for the face, if you have skin color paper, I will recommend that you use just this skin color paper directly. If you don't have skin color paper, you can use a small size white paper. Right now I am going to use skin color paper, wherein should start drawing the face. As we have discussed in grade 3 also, that face is having egg shape. So I will draw a big egg shape here. You can use any equipment like this circle shape. So as I say, egg shape, this is a circle. I am going to convert this into a egg shape by adding this curve line downside. Next, I am drawing the neck part. Now I am erasing unwanted lines. Now eyes. First we will start from the eyes. We have to decide where to draw the eyes. Here, in the middle, downside. No, the correct portion is here. So we'll start from the eyebrows. As the face is big, I'm going to draw big eyes. So these are the eyebrows and making it dark, double. So these are the eyes. While drawing, you can say each and every line. This is curve line, this is curve line. Now add circle, little half circle actually you can say, then one more circle inside to put more detailing. Now I'm going to decide where will be the nose. It will not be here, it will not be here, it should be here in the middle. So I'm going to draw a nose here like this, small curve line, and draw a slanting line or a straight line. Now the lips will not be too down here, will not be too close to the nose here. We will draw here little smiley, then downside a curve line, and up to it a M shape. You can see this is a M, but the legs are stretched. Now the ears will come in this portion. So I am going to draw the ears. Can you see the down one part is little small. Again this one part. So if you have done this on the white color paper, you can color this with skin color. So now I am going to dark this with sketch pen. So this is a girl I am going to do. One more thing you can add in the eyes, that is these lines. I am making it very fast so then you will get time to do it yourself. Okay, now this one I am going to attach on a blank page. You need to use fevicol very carefully, only spots. Don't use your fingers to wipe it. just paste it carefully. Now I am ready with this part. Now I am going to cut this one part too. Okay, now it's pasted here like a dress. Now I'm going to do some detailing on the eyes. I want her eyes in brown color and the lips with red lightly. Now the hair part. So above this circle you need to draw more hair here. As I say, this is a girl, so if you know how to draw girl hair in different way, you can draw it in your own way. I am showing a very simple way. And then you can add so many things with crayons or oil pastel. Here I am going to add a background with circle. So it's not like that you should do the same as I shown you. You can add or neglect so many things, but you should try to draw a face like this with papers and colors. Thank you.